This is Vibhuti Arora, your face yoga practitioner. So guys, this is a summer skincare facial massage routine. Follow along. For this, all you need is a nice facial oil. Do this right after you wake up. Wash your face with some face wash. Take all the excess oil that is there on your face off and do this before your shower so that by the time you are in your shower, the excess oil is absorbed, washed away, and your puffiness is reduced. Take some tea tree, avocado, or any good antibacterial summer oils. Now, summer oils are thinner and in texture and are not very dense. A question I get asked all the time: can I use coconut oil? Can I use olive oil? Well, the answer is maybe if it suits you, but 99% of skin types get clogged because of coconut oil. So it's better you use a thinner textured plant-based oil. I've taken this oil. I'm going to activate the ingredients, which all of you know by now. Start in an L motion like this. Transfer the oil upwards, drain, swipe, transfer, lift, drain. Now remember, this is a deep puffing massage, so drainage is very, very essential. We all wake up with under eye puffiness and upper lip puffiness. I'd like you to take 2 fingers, press the inner tear duct of your eye, swipe, lift any lymphatic fluid. Now lifting droopy eyes is very, very important here because we want to create muscle memory. You want those perfect almond-shaped eyes, and then drain from the side of our face. Do this 3 times. 2 and 3. Once you've done this, take your fingers, make a V on the socket of your eye, take any puffiness, lymphatic fluid, swipe it, lift your upper lid and drain to wriggle. Do this 3 times as well. This is going to ensure that all of the lymphatic fluid that is accumulated under your eyes is drained out. Perfect. Now I'm going to take the same 2 fingers and massage in a semicircle or an inward to outward C for forehead lymphatic drainage like this. Do this for about 5 to 6 times. Once you've done this, massage your temples and do a downward drain with a wriggle. Lastly, for your neck drainage, I want you to make 6 C's on each side of your neck like this, and this is just first level drainage. We will go on to deeper drainage very soon. Once you've done this with your fingers, I want you to tap to break any further lymphatic fluid all over your face. So we will start by dividing our face into zones: zone 1, zone 2, zone 3, zone 4 and zone 5. Start by firm taps all along like this. Now remember, we do start from the central axis going outwards and upwards. By the time you come to your eyes, do circular taps from your lower eyelid to your upper eyelid. Now take all your finger pads and do the same here. Remember, we start at the center and move outwards. I'm going to do the same on my neck. Perfect. Now that we've done this first level drainage, I want you to take your fingers and do a gentle pricking motion all over the zones. I like to call this facial zoning the signature Vibhuti. Now that we've done this, let's boost some blood circulation all over our face, starting at our eyes. Make a V of your hands, place them on the corners of both eyes so that you don't create any creasing or resistance. And look up and squint. Hold here for 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Look at the screen, relax. Look up again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Look at the screen, relax. Last time, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Look at the screen and relax. This is a very intense exercise and really pushes a lot of blood around the orbicularis oculi or ring muscles of your eyes. Close your eyes for a couple of seconds. You do need to stabilize and relax. Once you've done this, gently open your eyes, take one hand, place it on the other side, and again on zone start cheek whipping or lifting your cheeks like this. Repeat on the other side. For your right side, if you are right-handed, take your left hand to support and lift. Do this to the count of 20. For a jaw sculpt, wrap your teeth around your lips like this. Look up and move your chin or lower jaw up and down. Again, to the count of 20. Close your eyes, come back, stabilize. It's like a gush of blood for your brain or a headstand towards your brain. So you really need to stabilize and gently open your eyes. Once you've done that, we will end this with the classic lioness pose, which is brilliant for lymphatic drainage and for your overall skin texture enhancement and glow. Inhale and exhale, bringing your tongue out. Do this in the washroom when no one's watching. You could end this massage with a complete relaxation with a chilled ice globe or ice roller massage. Both options are easily available. I prefer globes because they also help in lifting. Onto the eyes, to your temples. Do this a couple of times. Relax your eyes. From your cheeks. Lifting droopy lips. Towards your ears. Downward drain. Upward lift all over your forehead. And then last but not the least, towards your neck. Now remember, no matter what we do, lymphatic drainage from the neck is absolutely essential because your terminus point is present here where your collarbone is. And whatever exercise, depuffing you've done is of no use if the drainage is not done correctly. So remember to declog your pores. I hope you enjoyed this morning depuffing facial massage video with me, Vibhuti Arora. Happy pampering! If you like this video, don't forget to share, subscribe and spread the love.